Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, I've got Arjun with me. He has smashed his PTE exam once again. 86 overall, another 80 from Language Academy. With 82 in listening, 87 is reading, 79 speaking, and a perfect 19 writing. A great score. Congratulations, Arjun. Well done, man.
So much.
Let's talk about this thing. Before you came here, you took a number of attempts, and we know that you are gonna do it. You knew it yourself as well, but you were missing in one or the other section every time, and you were not really sure what the reason is, right? Or what the reason was. So, what do you think? How it was different when you went for the exam this time as compared to your previous attempts? What was the difference? What changes did you make, which helped you to score 80 in PT?
Yeah. And first of all, thank you so much, Varun, and for the entire team at Language Academy for helping me and guiding me to crack the score. So, comparing with the previous I had actually taken 4 attempts before joining Language Academy, and then the problem was that I was not aware of which are the scoring areas, and then I had been wasting time, in fact, focusing there, and then the most important sections like dictation, for example, I was not able to find time to complete those sections, which actually caused me getting low marks.
So basically, you were not really sure about the scoring patterns, what things are important, and then time management as well.
That's right.
Because we often spend a lot of time on MCQs or things or tasks which are not very important, and then you miss out on things which are very important, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Like you told me that in reading you were not really able to manage time.
Yeah.
So guys, very important. You should know beforehand what are the things which are important, how you have to manage your time. What things are there which you need to prioritize, and then you have to manage your time accordingly. Will help you smash 80 as well, guys. How was your experience here? How do you think that the lab helped you or the classes helped you? In what way was it different as compared to the way you were preparing before?
Yeah, so initially I was preparing on my own, so I had my own strategies, but then after I joined Language Academy, it was all refined actually, the strategy, the time management, everything. After I joined, there was not even a single time where I didn't find time to complete the exam. So that was the first thing that I learned. And then in terms of strategies, it was I was guided with different strategies for each of the section.
That's right.
And then I was purely following that strategy and the templates and all the help that I got from the lab sessions. So one of the best things that I would like to highlight is that during the lab sessions, whenever you come across certain doubts, you can actually check with a tutor, and then you get the guidance on that. But previously at home, I was not sure of what the correct answer was or the approach. So, and then more of practice with the resources that we have. Yeah. So one thing that I would like to highlight, another thing is the resources that is there in the Language Academy. It's equivalent to the original PTE exam, which really helped me this time to crack the score.
That's right. So basically, practicing on the right material and then having someone will guide you, take you through the process, will help you get 80 in PT, guys. Because at home you think you are doing it right, but you then you don't really get the score. Why? Because it's right according to your perception. That was happening in your case as well, right? You used to tell me that I have done everything right, why I'm not really getting the score. Because there are always some loopholes which you need to fix, which you need to improve on, and that's how you'll score 80 in PT, guys. Let's wrap it off. Any advice for students who are going for the exam, what they should focus on, what things they need to consider before they go for their next attempt?
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to say is just focus on or understand what are the main scoring areas in each of the sections, and then the guidance or the feedback that I got from Language Academy was that you complete those or practice those important sections, 30 questions every day.
Right.
So realistically, after office hours, I was finding it a bit difficult, but I ensured that I get in touch with all the sections, so that you get in touch with all the question types that are there in PTE, and then over the weekends is when was actually dedicating myself to practicing a lot more. And then mock exams is something yet another. So very important. I ensure that I used to take at least one every week, and then I used to get the feedback from Language Academy, which really helped me to refine and then focus in which area.
That's exactly right, guys. Mock test, what I believe as well, is very important, because you come to know in the exam, you go for the mock test, you'll get a score report, but you won't be able to figure out what mistakes did you make. We over here will give you a complete, exactly same mock test, and the difference over here is you'll come to know what mistakes you are making.
That's right. Yeah.
So in the exam, you're not really sure what section are you making mistakes in, which is impacting your listening, reading, or writing scores. But over here, you'll have a complete idea what are the mistakes, what are the things we need to work on, and that's how you'll improve, guys. That's it from this video, guys. Keep on practicing, believe in yourself, and you'll smash it as well. All the very best, guys. Thank you.